Hello friend, I want to introduce to you the miracle of neuroplasticity. What is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity is the word that became a very popular buzzword in the world of neuroscience in the 90s. We begin to have compiled surmounting evidence at neurological level. The base unit of your nervous system is a neuron. It's a cell that processes information. The nervous system is how you process information in your body. You have your skeletal system, you've got your cardiovascular system, you have your digestive system, you have all these systems that God made your body with. And the system that processes information to and from its main organ, the brain, is the nervous system. Your nervous system, you process over 100 billion bytes of information per second. And only 20,000 is conscious. Well, it was taught in schools of thought up until the 1990s that your brain was rigid, and once you lose brain cells, there's no hope. Well, as we begin to take deep dives into the rehabilitative process and being able to take technological advancements and snapshots at neurological journeys, we've discovered that people that have gone successfully through a rehabilitative process grew new brain cells. You can actually grow new neurons in your body. You can actually grow nerves. And this concept of everything once rigid is now actually pliable, begin to open up a whole new world of study, a whole new world of hope. They've found out that when the patient or client or the subject would focus their thought life for 7 to 15 minutes, 15 minutes a day got better results than the 7 minutes, but at minimum 7 minutes, but preferably 15 minutes a day, they would be able to create an information highway of relationship with neurons. You know, when you think about something, you stimulate your neurons to connect. When you have any form of stimulus, our receptors process information: sight, touch, taste, feel, hear, and all those senses bring information to your brain, and then your brain sends out the cascading neurochemical cocktails of what to do about that sensation. Fight or flight. Is it hot? Is it cold? What did you see? There's a bear, let's run. Increase adrenal glands, increase cortisol. Well, through all this information highway and all these systems interacting through the nervous system throughout your body, we've discovered that when you take your thought life and focus in on specific thought patterns, you daydream about it, you focus in on that, you stimulate your inner world into a relationship, creating information highways inside your brain where there's this relationship sending to and from chemicals and information on a regular basis. And at 15 minutes, there's a relationship beginning to establish. Well, when you did that on day number 7, it takes 21 days to create a habit. On day number 7, at 15 minutes of directed thought life on that specific topic, what happened on day number 7, there was these little nodules that began to form on these connections. Well, then on day number 14, didn't change topic, but directed focus on that particular topic. What happened is on day number 14, those little connections that created those nodules now create base polyps. And day number 21 of directed thought life for 15 minutes a day, those polyps created a mushroom effect hosting new dendrites. What does that mean? You're growing new brain cells. And those new brain cells, with opportunity to feed the dendrites to other axon terminals. How amazing is that? Friend, we've discovered that you can literally build in parts of your brain where there's been trauma, you can, through intentional thought, build an information highway over that trauma to connect with other parts of the brain. Change is possible. Friends, your past doesn't have to dictate your future. The beautiful miracle of neuroplasticity is that there's hard evidence of neurobiological science telling you and I that change is possible.